Hello everyone. In today's Finance in 3 Minutes series, I'm going to explain a topic that's very relevant to the current situation. Something that has the capability to bring the market to its knees. Yes, I'm talking about taper tantrum. To overcome the 2008 Great Recession, the Central Bank of US, that is the Federal Reserve, also known as the Fed, executed a policy known as quantitative easing, which involves a large purchase of bonds and other securities. In theory, this increases the liquidity in the system and helps maintain stability and promote economic growth, stabilizing the financial sector and encouraging lending to allow consumers to spend and businesses to invest. When the Fed began purchasing its own treasury bonds, it did so for over 3 to 4 years. And by 2013, the economy had in some ways started to pick up. It was then when the Fed announced the future tapering of its policy of quantitative easing, meaning the Fed will not provide easy money to keep the economy going, rather, they will start pulling out the money from the economy, thus raising the interest rates. The Fed announced that it would be reducing the pace of its purchases of treasury bonds and reducing the amount of money it was feeding into the economy. The ensuing rise in the bond yields in reaction to the announcement was referred to as taper tantrum in the finance world. What happened next? Reducing the rate at which the Fed purchases assets represented a significant negative shock to the market expectations, since the Fed had grown to become one of the largest buyers in the world. As with any decline in demand, bond prices would fall in response to fewer Fed purchases. Bond investors immediately sold bonds in response to the threat of future declines in bond prices, reducing the price of bonds. Of course, declining bond prices always results in higher rates, and as a result, yields on US treasuries have increased significantly. And the market veterans predicted that since bonds fell, the stock market would also follow the same suit and would have massive crash. At same point, we did have a correction, but as always, the market recovered, and by the midst of 2013, we were back and booming. What has this got to do with the current situation? The Federal Reserve has been preparing the markets for the onset of its first policy tightening move since the beginning of the pandemic, and the investors have begun bracing for the change. That means the Fed will start reducing the amount of bond it buys, which then means that the money supply will be reduced going forward. It is said that the 2021 taper tantrum will begin by the end of the year. So that's our 3 minutes. Thank you for watching.